Let's learn how to use side key. This side key means the power button. When we double tap this side key, we can open application. Now the default settings is when I double tap to my side key, I can open phone camera. Let's learn how to change this. Go to mobile settings. Scroll down and go to advanced features option. Click on the side button option. In here you can enable this double press mode. Now the default settings is quick launch camera. When I press this side key in 2 times, I can open my camera. We can change this. We can set to open application. To open application, click on this open app option. After you can select any application in here. Now I select calculator. Now I double press my side key like this. You can see now I can open mobile phone calculator like this. In this method you can use your side key.